Ready.
Okay, we're gonna start in that nice tree hug position. And when we're thinking about it, we're thinking support through the abdominal wall and posture. And then we're gonna reach and just practice going from side to side with support and posture. Maintaining the length of the spine all the way through the movement as well as the position. So that when we arrive, we don't have to correct any part of the posture or support. Then, as you start to feel that movement want to continue, go ahead and go onto the belly. You can relax, let it go, maneuver around, and then go back. And it's beneficial to also not think about it too much. Let your body experience the ground. Even if you're doing it wrong, as long as it doesn't hurt. And at some point when you get to your belly, you can move through some of the prone developmental positions to help the brain and the body connect contralateral and ipsilateral. Then move into the baby push-up, as many as you want. You can even try, once you come up here, to maneuver into contralateral position. The kitty cat might move up onto the couch, rocking back, coming into quadruped. Feel free to do any of the exercising movements in quadruped, or just keep moving up the developmental sequence higher and higher till you get all the way up.